Hey, big dog, you gifted. You gifted. You cold at what you do. And you got that big dog mentality. And there's not too many people stepping like you. Like you really built for this. You really made for this. You really cut for this. You from that jungle. Talk that talk, George. You from that jungle. And you got a heart of a lion. And you roll one deep. Because you playing for keeps. No more losses. Big dog. Yeah, that's real.